Welcome guys, in this video I want to show you how to install um, n8n on your local desktop. So first thing you have to do is to download this Docker desktop, and for you to download this Docker desktop you have to go here and search for Docker. Okay, Docker desktop. So after you search for Docker desktop, you are going to go to the best one, the first result. After you go to the first result, you will see on how to download it. So as you can see, you don't need to choose any plan right here. Okay, just click on download for desktop. Okay, so after the download for your desktop, okay, you are going to install it, and after the installation you can sign in or not. After then, you want to go to the search bar and search for n8n. Okay, n8n is going to pull out something for you. So the one you have to run, you have to pull this one first. Okay, you have to pull this one. So let us pull this. This is the latest. As you can see, this is the latest. We are going to pull it. So after you pull it, it's going to install on your PC. You are going to see it like this. It's going to be installed on your PC. And after it has installed on your PC, there are ways you have to set what we call some environmental variables and the ports. Okay. And for you, if I kind of technical person, you can use this code. Okay. Just run this one. It's going to run automatically. Okay. But the thing is, the reason why it won't run on your side is you have to create this storage. Okay, like this is your admin slash user, or let's say if you want to create a new storage, just go here at your document and create n8n backup. As you can see, after you create the backup, you can now copy the code. Okay, copy the code right here and paste it right into this sheet to replace the location of the n8n data. So you want to know and also back up your data whenever you want to update your new one. Okay, so without further ado, let us proceed and see. So it's still running, almost like 1.1 gig if you want to run it on your PC. Okay, so after running that finish, you have to set some variables. So I'm going to pause this video for now and let it install. So that is how you are going to install whatever you are going to install. Okay, because I have like multiple things I'm running here, like a lot of it. Can't even, this thing is look like so big for me. So let us explore the settings. I want to check something. Start Docker. Make sure you just leave this one there. Daemon without CSS. I don't even know. Use base engine home running while running. Okay. Future developments. Please don't start this. You can just try to update your the thing like that. Okay. Docker compose. I don't know if you know their one. Just click on update and see what they're called. So installing the update, we have the builders. Linux running, this one is running. We have the Docker engine, the resources folder, um, enable CPU utilization when container does not work. Yeah, I think we have to utilize that one for now. So can even save. Can I save? Okay, that is safe for now. So this is n8n. As you can see, this is the n8n. Now, what I'm going to do now is to click on run. So don't just go and run it, like I said. So we want to name your container n8n. You want to set the port to 5678, and the hosted part is going to be like this. Okay, like I said, you are going to create a folder. So for me, I'm going to create this n8n backup. I have the n8n that I'm using before, but I want to use this backup. Okay, I'm going to select the folder. After selecting the folder, now type this. Okay, just this. After typing this, paste it there. Now we have what we call environmental variables. So you will not have any issue. If you don't use this, you are going to have issues when it comes to some times, and you're going to reset your n8n. It's going to clear your data. You have to start from fresh. Okay, so you do not have to do that. So click on value and click on add the second environmental variables. Add the node evn. I don't even know, is it node evn? Just node evn. And we are going to add production. Okay, and I think there is if you want to add some of your keys right here, this is where you're going to do it. The next thing is click on run. So after you click on run, it's going to run your anything right now. So everything is loading. So as you can see now, you can access this thing via this one. Okay, runners enable, name runner enable. Now you can run it. So if you go to inspect env, you are going to see whatever the months. So you are going to see whatever you want to run there. This is anything backup propagation true. Now let us fire up our n8n. So we are going to see our n8n on this local disk. Okay, so the reason why you are going to see like setup. So the reason why you are seeing this, the reason why you are seeing this is because I actually back up my workflow, and that is the reason why you are seeing this. So this is the last node I run before filling the workflow. Okay, so just input your name. You have to input your name, password, and everything like that. So if you want to back up your folder, just make sure you back up your folder. Like if you want to install it again, because you actually it's going to actually show you here when you want to upgrade. Okay, it's going to show you here when you want to upgrade. So after you, because it's going to bring an update always. So you can go here to create workflow. You want to create workflow. We have the templates. If you want to use some templates, that is if you know how to. We have the variables. You can't use this one. So insights. So I don't know why they are haven't upgraded insight for us. So this is actually a one, and you can check out whatever you want to check out. We have the settings. So if you are installing it for the first time, you have to actually do something. Go to the community node. When you get to community node, I don't know, maybe these things kind of running again. Let me just uninstall this one. So I don't think install a community node. I don't know, maybe the community node is actually working again. Okay, so let me just check the workflow. Local, let me localize this thing as it is. So we have this one right now, community node settings, blah blah blah. We want to go to the, that's what we call a community uh files. So just click on browse more. So I want to check on something. Maybe I can actually run anything here because okay. So this thing has been updated other ways, blah 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 like that. Manual trigger, add some files, AI, uh, OpenAI element, basic element. Let's check the basic element. Okay, it's working. So this thing is actually working. So these are the node you want to install, and also make sure you install this NCP. I don't know, but most of people actually make it important. It's called multi-context, I don't know that it's actually running because I've done something on this before. So a lot of nodes are here. We have the HTML to Markdown, formulas, document generation, global, DeepSeek, Lemon Lab, the Puppeteer, Evolution API download manager. I think I'm going to need this one. I think I'm going to need this one. Let me go and go to, let me go to settings. Let's go to settings. Um, Leave without saving. Community node. Install a community node. And let's suppose the HTML to Markdown. So it's going to add some node and additional node to your PC. Okay, we have this text manipulation allowed to modify text. You can even click on it to see how you can use these tools. Okay, they are what we call the node for Apify. Okay, this is Apify. If you want to use there is what we call the Apify. So if you want to use node for Apify. So let's go here. I'm going to paste node for the Apify. Um, I don't know this due to workflow. So there are people that are creating their own workflow themselves. We have no perpetuality, the image, they work like a lot of extra content given from a URL, similar to readers mode, ignore headers, footers, and banners. I think this is okay. This will be okay. Let me check. Now we have this running. So you can just install the one you want. You don't have to install everything. Okay, you don't have to install everything. I don't know what they are talking about this um TikTok node. Let me try to install this thing and see how it works. So this is the node starter. As you can see, just check it out. We have this one for text manipulation, from text to binary, blah blah blah, extensive. So this is just their use cases. We have the one for, okay, this is another starter. So we have the one for tools. I don't know what this thing is actually working with. Okay, so which one do we have to install again? This one is still installing. So we have the browserlet, the Firecrawler, we have the Grub AI, the NCPJ, data validation. So if you want to see the one that people are using, we'll just go and most downloaded this week. Okay, so this is the most downloaded this week: the JATSWork, MCP, document generation, PDF kits, leading for PDF to transfer image to PDF and letters. The global, I don't know the name of this global constant. So that is it for now. I think it's Power BI API. So let's see the most downloaded this month. So these are the most downloaded this month. Okay. So I think that is it for now. And thanks for watching and do have a nice day.